Alright, so in general, you just want to stick to the functions that, the pre-made functions that they use on the calculator. Practice using them in your arsenal so that you make your working simple, easy. For example, if you have 5 to the power of 3 take away 5 to the power of 3 take away the square root of pi plus 1, see? You put 5 to the power of 3 take away square root, you can get a second function, the square root of pi, second function, pi plus 1. So that's how I would write that. It'll make it much easier. And you can write in everything in one line instead of doing it part, right? One more example, if I have 6 times 10 to the power of 23, which is close to Avogadro's number, 6 times 10 to the power of 23 divided by 3.1 times 10 to the power of 20. Let's say we have that. How I'll do that? 6 times 10 to the power of 23? No, that's a little longer. So you can actually use this here, exponent, 6 exponent times 10 to the power of 23. You see the 23 came out there. And you put divided by, and you can do the same thing for this, 3.1 times, no, we're not using times, we're using exponent. So you can, that's the thing with this calculator, you can just go back and fix problems. 3.1, behave yourself, 3.1 exponent times 10 to the power of 20. I said 20, okay, so, and you press equal, you get your answer. And you can always go back and modify parts of the question. So you can modify, let's see, change it to a negative exponent, modify stuff, right? So that's about it for the calculator use tips. There are many more tips you can learn here, simpler tips, but I just highlighted some of the really important ones that can save you some time and marks.